weather on 5 News.
And taking a look at some of those temperatures regionally, you can see how hot it is along that eastern seaboard. Philadelphia at a temperature of 92 degrees, Richmond, Virginia at 94 degrees. Very, very hot temperatures. Not as hot the further east you get. And here in West Virginia, our temperatures are starting to drop. Same thing with middle Pennsylvania as well as Ohio. And this is because of the cold front and its effects on the region, mainly the thunderstorms that it is bringing both to here in north central West Virginia, but also a little bit more robustly to Pennsylvania. So we can see here in West Virginia, it is kind of along I-79 right now, this thin line of thunderstorms. We're hearing that rain and thunder here at the station in Clarksburg, and it has certainly, again, affected our temperatures. That rain has had a significant cooling effect, as well as in Pennsylvania, hence why you saw those cooler temperatures in State College and in Lancaster. A lot more, as I mentioned, more robust thunderstorms in that area. Here it is a lot more scattered, but this is around where the cold front is. So this is going to be crossing over us over the course of the next couple of hours. But in its wake, it's going to leave us susceptible to more active weather for each afternoon and evening going forward for the next couple of days, and that includes for the weekend. So let's take a look at this on the Futurecast. Tonight we're going to continue to see those showers moving from the west to the east, again in a very scattered fashion. It's not going to be very widespread, and that's going to be the general case for the next couple of days. None of this activity is going to be particularly very widespread. It's just going to be a lot of scattered activity. So those things do die down in the overnight hours, but then it does start to ramp up by the time we get back to Friday afternoon. Now, Friday and Saturday especially, the chances of thunderstorms are increased a bit more for the higher elevations than it is in the lowlands. All of us have the potential to see some of that activity in the afternoons and the evenings. However, the mountains are just a little bit more likely to see some of that activity. You can see that on Friday afternoon, a lot of that activity is confined to the Appalachian spine. We're going to continue to see that scattered activity though through the night. It does calm down in the mornings, and then again Saturday afternoon we see more of that activity arising again, more so in the higher elevations than in the lowlands, but all of us still have the potential to see some of this scattered activity. And again, same thing, Sunday morning a little bit calmer, Sunday afternoon we see more of that activity arising. That could be going on for as long as into Monday. By the time we get to Tuesday, we do get a quick break from that precipitation before we see our next system coming in. But notice our temperatures. They are going to be much cooler going forward. It's not just those rain showers today that are going to keep us cool. In fact, that cold front crossing over us is going to have our highs in the 70s for this weekend and beyond.